Hello, I'm Lee Hussell. I'm a company director and I head up the Webbers auction department. So at Webbers, for me, the best method of sale is without doubt by auction in the right circumstances and for the right properties. We offer two different methods of auction. We have the modern online method, or we have a more traditional in-the-room auction. The modern online method is exactly what it says on the tin. It is all online, and that creates a certain level of convenience for a prospective buyer because everything is concentrated online through to legal documents, photos, floor plans, and everything that the buyer needs. With the more traditional auction, we're building to an event, but that event can really create some powerful marketing and can enhance that sense of competition amongst buyers to bid to the very maximum level. So when selling at auction, we have to look at a specific process. Now, the first and most important part, of course, is what is the value of the property. So we'll come and give you a full market appraisal and let you know where we see the realistic value for your property. From there, we can set a realistic and very competitive guide price. Now, the guide price is designed to attract maximum attention from buyers. So the guide price is generally on the more competitive side of where we see the true value. Coupled with that, we will set a reserve price, and the reserve price is important because that's the price at which you authorise us as auctioneers to sell your property. Now, the reserve is normally the very minimum price that you are prepared to sell, but safe in the knowledge that you will have a buyer on board who is legally committed at the end of the auction. So whether that's the fall of the physical gavel or whether it's an online gavel, the buyer is committed at that point and will exchange contracts and pay a 10% deposit there and then. So what the auction process does is it sets specific timescales. Now that can help you plan as a seller because you will know when the auction is going to finish, and from there is a completion date that is set, generally no more than 28 days thereafter. Now, in the run-up to the end of the auction, a buyer will have opportunity to make their inquiries, to come and view the property, to check all of the legal documents as well, and then they can set in their own mind where they want to bid. Now, there are fundamental differences, of course, whether we go down the road of the online auction or whether we're more in the room. If we're going down the road of the online route, the more modern method, shall we call it, then people can bid at any time on our bespoke bidding platform. Now, the timer for the auction will tick down to an end date and time, and whoever the best bidder is at the end of that auction, assuming of course that the reserve has been met, they are the winning bidder and an exchange of contracts will take place there and then. They are committed and they will have to pay that 10% deposit that I previously mentioned. The same applies though for the more traditional method when we're in the room, but we will all gather in the room and the auction will be conducted by normally yours truly with the gavel in hand, and we will take bids in the room on the day. That bidding process will ensue. Hopefully there's lots of interest, plenty of competitive spirit, and again at the end of the auction the buyer is committed by way of an exchange of contracts and a 10% deposit is paid. Completion, as I say, normally no more than 28 days thereafter. Our ability to offer online or more traditional auctions gives buyers choice. Now, of course, with the way the modern world is these days, being online enables us to use the very best of technology. We can build in all sorts of different marketing tools, such as video viewings, of course, virtual 360 tours. We can do online open house events as well. All of that really helps to promote your property far and wide. We also embrace social media, which is a real great platform to see your property go viral. So Webbers has been in existence since 1924, and our founder, John C. Webber, used to auction chickens, believe it or not, from his own front room. So our tradition is very much with auctions in mind. So we've built on that wealth of knowledge that Mr. Webber gave us and delivered that through to property. And we sold many, many properties by auction, both traditional method and online method, over a vast number of years now. As I say, it is without doubt, in the right circumstances, for the right properties, the best method of sale. When an auction really goes well, it's a real buzz, a real great event, and we've had some really good successes over the years. One that sticks in my mind particularly, and please pardon the expression here, it was lovingly known as the Bird Poo House. It was a property very much down on its luck within the Ilfracombe area of North Devon. In a very poor state, it had a guide price of offers in excess of £45,000, and unfortunately it did have an awful lot of pigeon poo throughout the property. But what that enabled us to do was have a really accurate and really extensive marketing plan, and it was something that really piqued interest, and the property went viral, literally viral. It was seen, and this isn't an exaggeration, all around the world. I was interviewed live on ITV West Country TV even as part of the exposure that the property had. The day of the auction was fantastic. We had well over 150 people within the room. There was a huge amount of bidding, and we knocked the property down at more than double the guide price. So if you're looking to fix timescales for your move, to maximise the potential your property has and to get the very best price and sell by auction, it's a great method for you. So please do contact any of our 14 branches and they'll talk you through the process and come and give you a free, no obligation appraisal.